There will be a gap between each spoken phrases, so please read aloud after the narrator. Please join in. I'd like to have this.
これください。
How much?
いくらですか？
How much is this?
これはいくらですか？
Expensive.
高い。
Cheap.
安い。
I want to go to.
に行きたいです。
I want to go to Kyoto.
京都に行きたいです。
Okay, now here is a quiz to recap what you have learned today. How would you say the following phrases in Japanese? I'd like to have this.
これください。
Cheap.
安い。
How much?
いくらですか？
Expensive.
高い。
I want to go to Kyoto.
京都に行きたいです。
How much is this?
これはいくらですか？
Thank you for watching. Enjoy your trip to Japan. But before that, if you are interested in Japanese culture, realities of life, and hot topics in Japan, have a look our other channel. You can find the URL in the description. If you'd like to continue to study Japanese, don't forget subscribe. See you another video.